Alright guys, so 2 weeks later with the Nothing Ear 1. Let's talk about it. Alright, what's good people? Tech Jamo. So, as you guys already know, yeah, man got the Nothing Ear 1 earphones about 2 weeks ago, and fam, I've been putting them through their paces, listening to them in the yard, trying out the active noise cancellation and all that. So I'm not even gonna try and do anything flashy for this review right now, yeah? No B-roll, no nothing. I'm just gonna sit here and talk to you about what I feel with these earphones over the past 2 weeks. Now, design, yeah, I can't lie, they gassed me. When I first unboxed them, even the unboxing experience, yeah, which can be found in the description section below, when I first unboxed them, they gassed me. The design is legitimate. How you telling me the things are transparent? Come like the old-fashioned Game Boy, fam. These things look sick. Like, I've just not seen any earphones that are on the same design levels as these. Like, standard procedure. I even looked on Amazon the other day for transparent earphones. Nothing on this level. Even just the general feel of them as well. Like, when you take them out the case and they automatically pair to your phone kind of thing, and you put them back in the case. I'm not gonna lie, putting them back in the case, it took a little getting used to. Like, I wasn't too sure how to do it. Most cases, you have to slot the earphones in. These, you kind of just rest them to the side inside the case. It's a bit weird, fam. But yeah, you get used to it, obviously. It's just one of them things when you're trying something new. And yeah, no, the premium builds, the design, fam, it all screams premium, fam. So it's not like I opened it and I was like, man spent 99 baht on these. Now, in terms of connecting them when I first opened the things, it was light work. Please understand, yeah? I got these out of the box. I opened up the thing there. I looked at my phone and my phone was like, do you want to pair them? I was like, what? Me, yeah, I'm all old fashioned. I'm used to holding down the Bluetooth pairing button for about 10 seconds until it starts flashing red and blue, then go into my phone, searching for Bluetooth devices and pairing them manually. That's where I come from, innit? So this whole fast pairing process of me literally just opening this and it asking all the devices in close proximity whether I want to pair, that's legit, fam. That just adds to the premium feel that you're getting with these earphones. Another thing is the app. The app is nice and simple and it gives you a prompt to download the app when you connect these earphones to your phone. Now the app hasn't really got too much options on it. It's got an option for touch controls, so you can select whether you want your touch controls to skip a track forward or I think it's skip a track backwards, something like that. The only issue is you can only customize triple tap touch controls. There's no option to customize double tap touch controls. I don't know why, but that's just what it is. Even for single tap, you can't customize that either. Also, you can customize the EQ and the active noise cancellation, whether you want it on like silent mode or whether you want it on observer mode where it can hear everything that's going on around you. And you can also do that by pressing and holding each earphone just for I think about 3 seconds, and it will just cycle through the different noise cancellation modes. So in terms of just working, like, yeah, it definitely works. Now, in terms of sound, I'm not gonna guess it. I've got a few earphones here, yeah. I've got the Samsung Galaxy Buds, I've got the Pixel Buds, I've even got the Sony XM4. They're all getting returned, by the way. Man can't afford them. I'm just telling you, I've got them here to review. And none of them come as loud as the Nothing Ear 1. I'm not even gassing you, because you know that the Samsung phones, you can connect 2 different earbuds to the same phone at the same time so that they're both playing music at the same time. Fam, when you do it with these, nothing is coming as loud as these. Even at the lowest volume, these always come out louder no matter which ear you're using, kind of thing. So definitely A1 for the loudness. It will probably mash up your eardrums, but me, I like things loud in it, so that's all good. Now, together with the loudness, you also get that bass. Now, I don't know if it's because it's extra loud. I feel like there's extra bass in terms of all the other earphones I've tried, but the bass on these sounds uncomparable to any other earphones that I've tried before. So yeah, bass and loudness, this is where it's at. The active noise cancellation is quite good too. Like, I'm not really a big fan of active noise cancellation anyway. Like, I don't really feel like I need it, but if a product has it, I'll be like, yeah, let me hold that. But yeah, the active noises cancellation is very good. When you turn it on, you get that kind of vacuum feel that everything has been sucked up and everything sounds silent kind of thing, except for high-pitched noises and sometimes voices as well. Now the fit. Now this is kind of a heartbreaker for me, but obviously, I don't know if you guys can see my ears here, but my ears, they're kind of funny shaped still. So the situation for me is this. The right earbud fits in my right ear nicely and it's all good. I can walk down the stairs, walk up the stairs, keep walking, they won't fall out. But the left one, yeah, it's doing a mad thing. It keeps falling out. There's no way it will stay in my ear unless I'm literally just sitting down in one place. So maybe for public transport, if I was sitting down on a train, man can put them in and live my best life. But even then it kind of don't work because you have to get up for public transport, obviously, to get your train transfer or your bus transfer. And if you're constantly got that anxiety that your earphone is going to fall out, you know when your earphone is about to fall out and you start to hear external sounds because obviously the suction that's in there is just getting released kind of thing. It's all long, fam. It just makes you want to throw away the whole headset. It just gets me vexed, to be honest, when my earset keeps falling out. And unfortunately, that's what happens to me with these. Now, you lot probably have normal ears, so you'll be cool with that. But for me, earphones that are kind of designed in this little stalk way, just like the normal AirPods, they just don't work for me at all. Not for my left ear anyway. The left ear is just being disrespectful, unfortunately. But yeah, in conclusion guys, the Nothing Ear 1. I'm not gonna lie, for the price, £99, you get your active noise cancellation, which is actually decent. You get outstanding levels of bass and volume. You get a nice little premium looking kit with the transparent thing going on everywhere. Your wireless charging as well. Fam, I'm down for it. I'm definitely down for it. But the fact that it don't stay in my left ear, that's my issue. I'm just wondering whether I should keep them and just put sellotape over my left ear when I put the earphones in. It's that deep because the sound quality is actually on point. But yeah, that's the situation for me anyway. Hopefully this has helped any of you guys that are thinking of making that decision of having a little purchase as well. And yeah, that's it. That's all you're getting. Let's go do some next review now. All right, bless.